Good afternoon, students. Today we study Unit 4, Lecture 6, Carboxylic acid derivatives. Carboxylic acid derivative. The derivatives of carboxylic acid in which OH functional group is replaced by another group are known as acid derivatives, or carboxylic acid derivatives on hydrolysis convert to parent acid. RC double bond OH carboxylic acid. When OH is removed and R dash is added, then it becomes ester. RC double bond OR. It is OR is there. Then R, if we see OH is removed and Cl is there, RC double bond O Cl acid chloride, RC double bond O C double bond O R acid anhydride, RC double bond O NH2 OH is removed, NH2 is there, acid amide. So here in the ester it is OR. Structure and reactivity of acid chloride RCOCl. Functional group RC double bond O Cl. In this group, carbon of carbonyl group is attached to chlorine. That is a very strong electronegative in nature. Therefore, it attracts the electron towards its own side. Due to this, carbon of carbonyl group becomes positively charged. It will become the site where nucleophile attacks and chlorine can be replaced. Site of nucleophilic attack. RC double bond O Cl on carbonyl carbon delta plus on chlorine delta minus is there. So finally will break. So first RC double bond O Cl bond gets shifted to oxygen and nucleophile attacks on C. Then you are getting RCO minus Cl, and then we are getting RC double bond O Cl, then RC double bond O Cl, the bond shift on oxygen, and you will get double bond RC double bond O Cl plus Cl minus. Nomenclature of acid chloride. The name of this acid derivatives is derived by the name of parent acid. In common system, suffix IC word is replaced by YL. Example RHC double bond OCl, parent acid, formic acid replaced by IC by YL, and then name of halogen. Hence its name will be to form YL chloride. That is CH3COCl, parent name acetic acid, hence its name will be acetyl chloride. In IUPAC system, suffix OYL is added in place of E in the name of parent alkene. SC double bond OCl, parent is methane, replace E by OYL, then ethanoyl chloride. CH3C double bond OCl, parent is ethane, then name will be ethanoyl chloride. Nomenclature of amide. The names of amide is also derived from the common name of parent carboxylic acid. Only suffix IC is replaced by word amide. In acetic acid, replace IC by word amide. CH3C double bond O NH2, HC double bond O NH2, acetamide and formamide. The IUPAC system, prefix of parent alkane is added and word E is replaced by word amide. Ethanamide, methanamide. Nomenclature of anhydride. In common system, the ending part of name acid is replaced by anhydride. Acetic acid, acetic anhydride. Propionic anhydride. Ethanoic acid, ethanoic anhydride. Propionic anhydride. So, the nomenclature of anhydrides. Nomenclature of ester. The name of alkyl group attached to oxygen is the first word, and the second part is the name of parent acid. Only IC word is replaced by ATE. Methyl formate, SC double bond O OCH3, methyl formate, CH3C double bond O OC2 H5, ethyl acetate. In IUPAC system, first part will be same as in common name, second part will be derived from parent alkane ended with word O8. Methyl methanoate, ethyl ethanoate. Relative stability of acyl derivatives. In all carboxylic acid derivatives, the common and important part is carbonyl group C double bond O. In this group, oxygen is more electronegative than carbon, hence carbon always carries partial positive character. It is the place where nucleophile can attack, and followed by removal of leaving group can take place. It is a process where addition of nucleophile takes place first, then followed by substitution. Attacking nucleophile may be OH minus or any other, and leaving group is acyl is X minus is in ester, OR minus in anhydride, OC double bond OR in amide, and in amide NH2 minus or NR2 minus. In all these group, halide ion is the best leaving group, hence it is a most reactive. The best leaving group is always weakest base. The amides are best base among all these group and weakest leaving group followed by ester group. Halogens are weakest base. Reactivity is based on ease of leaving group. Halide ion based and amide is weakest. Hence, the reactivity is as below. Most reactive acid derivatives are acid halide and followed by anhydride, then ester, and least reactive compounds are amide derivatives.